Hello everyone, welcome back to Shumi's Garden. Guys, you can see that this is my kitchen. Today we are going to make the best soap clay. The main part of this clay is soap. It also known as Thai clay or foamy clay. So let's see the recipe first. Here I am using basic bath soap. It can be any brand. Preferably use white soap so that you can get white clay. Grate them on fine grater. You will get such kind of grated soap. Now in a bowl, take 1 cup of grated bathing soap. Add half cup of water to it. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. After soaking, keep it on low flame and let it melt. Mix it well. Now add 1/3 cup or 5 tablespoons white glue in it. Again mix it well and let it reach the boiling point. Turn off the heat once it starts boiling. Add half cup of cornstarch or corn flour to it. Mix it well. Make sure your heat is off. Now add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in it and properly mix it. After 5 minutes, it will look like this. You will get this such consistency. Apply some oil on your hand and start kneading. Take the mixture in a plate. You may need little more corn flour while kneading to get exact dough right consistency. You will find it soft at first while it's hot, but it will get hard as it gets cold. So be careful while adding extra flour. So this is our approximate measurement. You can also add more glue or corn flour if needed. And it's done. Apply some oil and store it in airtight bag and airtight container. You can use it 3 to 4 months and project for last years. The consistency should be like this, perfectly teardrop. You can directly add acrylic color or even food color to it and paint over it when it is dried. So you can make a lot of things with this, like flowers, leaves. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel.